Hello and welcome to a new video of mine. Today I'm going to talk to you about United Healthcare stock and some of my future price predictions and also some financial metrics of the company. So first, let's look at the stock performance. The stock is currently up 240% in the past 5 years. The past year, the stock is up 14%. The past 3 months, the stock is down 0.3%. And finally, the stock is rebounding. The past week, the stock is up 5%. Let's look at some of the recent news to figure out why the stock has been selling off a bit. The selling in health stocks seemed prompted by investor panic over the push by the Democrats' healthcare for all plans, but many analysts noted that even if a plan was passed by the House of Representatives, it would face intense industry opposition. Now let's look at the future price targets for the stock. The current share price is around $258, with an average price target of $307, with a low price target of $288 and a high price target of $345. This is based off of 23 different analyst price targets, and it is rated a 1.6 strong buy. So judging by these analyst price targets, we can see there is a lot of potential upside for UnitedHealth. UnitedHealth currently has a market cap of $246.7 billion, a trailing price-to-earnings ratio of 21, a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 16, a price-to-earnings-to-growth ratio of 1.16, and a price-to-sales ratio of 1.09. They have a return on equity of 23%. I would consider this very good. Even 15% would be very good. The forward annual dividend yield is 1.43%. Now let's take a look at the dividend payment history. In September of 2013, they paid a dividend of 28 cents per share, and today, March 19th, they paid a dividend of 90 cents per share. So we can see that they have been consistently increasing their dividend over time, which is a great thing for long-term investors. Looking at the financials, the income statement every year has been increasing steadily. In 2015, they made a gross profit of $37 billion, and in 2018, they made a gross profit of $54 billion. The current balance sheet has a total assets of $152 billion, and the total liabilities is around $96 billion. So we can see they have a lot more assets than liabilities, which is a good thing. And for the cash flow, it has been consistently increasing year over year. In 2015, they had $5.8 billion in net income, and in 2018, they had a total net income of around $12 billion. We can see that UnitedHealth has been consistently beating the earnings per share estimates created by analysts every quarter. The next earnings report is around April 15th of quarter 1, 2019. They're expected a earnings per share of around 3.59. Now let's look at a very important aspect of investing, which is the intrinsic value. According to Simply Wall Street, the share price is at a 46% discount with an expected annual growth in earnings of 10.5%. This chart shows the past annual growth earnings, so I think it's safe to say that a earnings growth of 10.5% in the future is very realistic. I recently bought 14 shares of UnitedHealth with an average cost of $240.08. which equated to $3,361. I currently have a 7% gain and it is now worth $3,600. I do plan to hold this for around 5 years, and I will be doing updates on every earnings report. Let me know what you guys think of UnitedHealth in the comments down below. If you liked the video, please drop a like and consider subscribing for future content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.